So my name is Paul Lewis. I work for Manchester Metropolitan University as the Travel Plan and Logistics Manager. So overall we've got 14 electric vehicles. We have 5 pool cars which are available for any staff member to register on our pool car system to book. And the rest of the vehicles are fleet vehicles for use by our internal maintenance staff, mail room, print services, all those sorts of functions. Members of staff really enjoy the vehicles. They're very popular. First there's often a question, will it get me there? But yes, it does. And once they've had a go in the vehicles, they really enjoy using them. We've done about 150,000 miles on electric vehicles since we implemented the scheme. So for Manchester Met, it's really been about financial savings and carbon savings. Previously there was a high number of mileage claims and a large amount of fuel spend by the university. Last year we were the greenest university in the UK, and having a sustainable transport fleet plays into that. Overall we've saved 14 tonnes of CO2 in the last financial year. Since implementing the system, we've saved £23,000 in fuel spend. Getting in the car for the first time is a bit nerve-wracking, but we offer training to make sure that people understand how to use the vehicles, how to start it, what the processes are. It is hilarious because we genuinely have people who say the engine's not on, it's not working. But as soon as you know how to switch it on, and you've heard the chimes telling you that the car's on, you get used to it pretty quickly. It feels just like a normal car. There isn't any difference apart from you don't have the thrum of the engine. TFGM really helped us launch the programme at the start of our EV journey. They helped us fund the very first charging points. Everyone who uses it once tends to become a repeat user, and I think that's the message in itself is it must be good. If people didn't enjoy using it, if people didn't find it a useful tool to use, then they wouldn't come back and use it again.